What's up, guys? Hang on, let me get that out of my mouth. What's going on? Thanks for clicking on this video. As I promised, we're gonna be doing some fishing. So I'm going out with my coworker and a buddy of mine, and we are going to do some sand bass fishing. The sand bass are making their run up the river right now, and we've been catching quite a bit here lately. Possum Kingdom let out a bunch of water into Lake Whitney, and I'm not sure how good the fishing is going to be. The Brazos is completely flooded right now, but we're going to go up one of these other rivers and see about catching some sand bass. I love this time of year. I love the sand bass spawn. It's so much fun because you catch so many fish and they eat so good. So I'm going to try to keep this short. We're going to have a good time. I'm going to throw a GoPro on my chest, and you guys should stick around and stay tuned. We're going to do a little catch, clean, and cook on this video, I think, as long as I have proper lighting for the cleaning part. But it's pretty simple, pretty easy. But anyway, let's get to it. If anything, it'll just be a catch and cook. Catch, cook, and eat. How about that? Anyway, I'll be in the other truck headed to the lake here in about 5 or 10 minutes. I'm pumped for this. It's beautiful weather. It's 86 degrees at the end of March here, and we're going to get quarantined at the lake. Stay tuned. Look at all the runoff.
Coming out of the wall.
That's some rain we needed bad. No, that's a big fish. Or are you hung up?
No, because it's moving.
Oh, snap. Here, let me reel up so I'm not in the way.
Oh man, he's tugging hard.
I wonder if it's a striper.
I don't think it's the same. I've never had a sand bass do that. I've tightened this up quite a bit.
Watch it be like a 8-pound black bass.
That'd be fun.
That'd be cool.
Oh man, he's a fighter.
It's got to be a striper. It's got to be a good striper.
I hope I don't lose him because that little bitty old hook.
I guess we'll find out.
I'm gonna do my best.
Oh, I just got
Overdo
bumped.
it. Oh man, there he goes again.
No. That's freaking cool.
You've got to get on the boat, whatever you are. Probably a big carp.
Snagged a carp. Golly. There's a fish. Whoopsie. This is a sand bass. Not a very big one either. Quit.
Whatever this is, it does not want to come.
Ouch.
I just saw it. It's big.
Can you tell what it is?
No. Whatever it is, it's big. I got 10-pound test line on, man.
Holy smokes.
I just want to.
Oh, yes. He choked it too. Yeah, he choked it. Oh, come here. Come here. No. Come here. Come here. He absolutely choked it. That's a big old striper. Cool. Sweet. That's all day, 18 inches. You get to go in the live well. Look how fast we're moving compared to the bank. We are freaking cruising. Oh boy. That's awesome. Sweet.
That was fun.
Fighting it in the current. Big striper and in the current.
And on this little thing.
Yeah, on that little bitty. One little tiny hook.
8-ounce jig. No, 4-ounce.
10-pound test. Maybe there'll be a few more of them. Oh, come on. Come out of there. Yeah. It feels really heavy anyway. I think it's another one of these stripers, or I'm just caught up on something. I don't feel it fighting.
Give it a minute, it might be.
I don't feel any head shakes, but that could just be because it's a big old sand bass that's already been whipped. Oh, it's fish. I just felt the head shake. I think it's just a big sand bass, that's all it is. I'll take it. Yep, he'll eat. Yep, just a bit. Oh, there you go. Yep. Big old Sandy. Yeah, it is. I got both hooks in him actually. No,
That's a
go.
sand bass. That's an enormous.
That's one of the biggest sand bass I think I've ever caught in my life.
I'm gonna go in the gear.
Okay. That fish wasn't coming off. Golly. Yeah, he wasn't kidding when he said that there was big ones in here. That's without a doubt the biggest sand bass I've ever caught. That's almost a 2-pounder, I think. Food. I somehow changed it because I know I was in video mode there for a second. That sucks. That is a ginormous freaking sand bass.
Oh yeah, he is.
Whoa, oh my gosh.
Are all the lines out pretty much?
My line's still in. Yep. Oh. Okay. I wish I would have got all that on video. That was a cool exchange. Oh, you want to try this for a minute?
Yeah, not really. Pretty good.
There's, oh, dang it, he just busted off. Oh, he came back for it. There's a fish. I don't think it's a big one. No, it's not. I don't even think it's a keeper. Oh, maybe. No. I ain't the keeper. Fish on?
Fish on. Keeper.
Sweet. Oh, that's a good fish.
Should I measure him?
Oh, no.
That's a fatty.
Yeah, I'm hooked up.
Man, he's quality too.
I'm hooked up too. That's a good one. This is a keeper too, I think. Unless I just foul hooked him. And I may have just foul hooked him. Because I seen him come up to the top of the water. He didn't look that big. Oh, I got 2 at once.
Oh,
No way.
oh, that never happened.
How cool is that? One on the front hook and one on the back hook. That's too freaking cool. And neither one of them are keepers, but it's still cool. Oh, shoot. Okay, how am I going to handle this situation? No, I think I got it. Quit flopping around. That's why they felt so big. I saw them come up to the top of the water.
Oh man, boat broke loose. I gotta put it
Oh
back.
no. See ya.
I think this spot's a good spot.
Yeah, I think so. You ain't a keeper, see ya.
No, don't do that.
Oh boy. Oh boy, that's is that a striper? Is that?
No, that's another sandy.
Are you kidding me?
It's a big sandy.
Look at the size of that thing. Oh my, that's without a doubt the biggest sand bass I've ever seen in my life. Me neither. You can't find them in stores that size. Oh, oh my gosh. It's almost as long as the striper.
The boat was not bullshit.
No, he was not kidding at all.
Nobody got no time to be retying that now.
Mm-mm. There's a fish. I'm fighting hard. I think this is a keeper. Maybe? Maybe? That's a good one.
That's a good little thing there.
Oh, I can't believe how...
Come here, little pig.
Jeez. That's more than a little pig. That's a war horse. That sucker's massive.
It's weird. He's kind of skinny.
Yeah. She may be spawned out.
That might be it.
She's big either way. I wonder how much further back we can go.
Further up, really?
Or up, yeah.
Go a little further.
I wonder. She said whenever your boat's...
Go as far as you can.
Yeah. I wonder if it gets better. Oh, I just had a fish bump me.
We can dang sure try.
I hear them and see them blowing up back there. Or up there. Oh, right at the boat. Get in here. Yo's a keeper too. I had him barely hooked. You're a keeper. No way.
Get one?
Yeah. Don't stop, it's alright. I don't want us to lose our momentum. I can't believe I just did that.
It's no problem.
It's a little guy. I don't know, maybe a keeper. I'm gonna turn him into ski bass. Quit. That's a definite keeper. Good grief. Choked it.
Got a floater or two in there.
Yeah, it'll be alright. It seems as though the little swim bait that you've got has been catching them better than my little crankbait.
I've got extras.
There's a fish right here in the current. You ain't no keeper though, are you? No. And all the fish that I've been catching have been smaller.
You remember that great big one you caught earlier?
Yeah, but that's one. You've caught like 5 that size.
Feel free. That box is right there on the dash.
Okay, I may dig into it here in a second. I wonder how many we got in there. I know it ain't 50. Oh no! Is that cold? You need to grab your rod.
So I had 2 choices. I was either going to fold over and go face first or just jump over.
Oh man.
I picked the latter. Oh man.
Shoot. I saw it out of the corner of my eye. Didn't hurt your phone or anything, is it? Wallet?
No, I can throw it in the water and it'll be fine.
Didn't hurt nothing, did you? Well, at least it's 80 degrees. Oh, there's fish. We both hook up at the same time. This is a keeper.
I don't think this one is.
Yep.
Might be.
You're definitely a keeper. But he's a keeper. I'm gonna try to get a count here. Oh, sweet.
I bet that hurts.
Okay, I'm getting back in. I'm getting it back in the water. We'll get a count later. I know we don't have 50. I know that for a fact. That's a good one.
Hey, he'll keep.
Yeah, definitely a keeper.
Oh, we'll quit that. You're just delaying the inevitable.
We're gonna, oh, there's a fish. That's a good one. Better one anyway. It's better than the last one I just caught.
Sure.
No. I don't think I've ever fished in water flowing this fast.
Me neither. I was thinking that a while ago. I was thinking this is kind of like something you'd see up in the mountains.
Yeah.
Fishing for trout or something I've never done.
There's a fish. That's a real good one. They hit it so hard. Definite keeper. Get in the boat. Is that a little striper? No, it's a sand bass.
Look what you did. Right there.
It's like they're just drifting down to us. You can't not catch them. And this will wean out one of the smaller ones, I think. Oops. I didn't mean to reel him up that far. Nah, he may not measure. I'll let you go. It was fun though, bub. Well, I'm several days late here on closing this video. I apologize for that. But I also realized that my GoPro wasn't at the best angle for basically the entirety of this video, and I apologize for that. I will fix that. I really enjoy getting out and doing some fishing, and it's one thing that I actually think I started doing before hunting. So I'm going to be posting some more fishing to this channel, and I hope that you guys will enjoy it and watch it. I ended up having a lot of fish that evening to clean, and then I ended up doing a fish fry last night. You guys saw just a little bit of that. Fish was great. And I'll give you guys a quick little tip. I'm sure for those of you that clean and eat a lot of fish, you know to cut the bloodline out of your fillets, but it makes your fish taste 1,000 times better just to get rid of that bloodline. So you'll see it's usually right there in the middle of the fillet. Just cut that little sucker out and fry up your nice white fillets. I wish that the river was still flowing like it was. It was rocking and rolling the day we were out there catching all those fish. And I say that I wish that it was still rolling like that because those sand bass love to get up in that stream and spawn, or river and spawn, whenever there's good flow going like that. So a lot of fun. I think I'm gonna go try to get on them a couple more times before their spawning season is officially over. I really look forward to that. It's kind of peaked and on the downhill slide now, I believe. But we ended up with a 2-man limit, 50 fish total. Then we had a bonus keeper striper in there, and then I also went and we had 8 jugs out and came back with 5 catfish. So that's cool. I didn't show any of that. The footage, it was just too dark because we checked everything after we got done catching all those sand bass, but it was still a lot of fun. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and film some videos of me going out and catching catfish on jugs and trout lines, because I really enjoy fishing that way as well. And it will be a kind of a tutorial style video. I'm going to show you guys how I build jugs. Like I said, it's super simple and it's a lot of fun. So I want to do a video over that, and I'm going to do quite a bit of that this summer, I think. So I hope that you guys will stay tuned for that and be enjoying that. And then I've also got another couple of videos that I'm going to be showing you guys this week. That one of them, I went out and hunted a hog with a pistol and was successful, and it was really neat. And it was by accident. So I'm going to roll that video for you guys probably tomorrow or the day after. So keep your eyes peeled for that one. With all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you in just a couple of days.